Let's get right into this 5-minute body weight strength workout you can do as a follow along with me with no equipment as part of your morning routine to get a positive habit going. We've got 5 exercises doing 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off for 1 round, starting with some squats. Let's get your feet about shoulder width apart, slight turn out to the toes. We're gonna keep a nice upright chest position, sink your hips down. Imagine you're sitting your glutes down between your heels, keeping an upright torso. It's hip depth we're looking for, so don't over lean your torso forwards. Big knee bend, it's okay for the knees to come over the toes. Just try and keep your heels in contact with the floor. I like to bring my arms out for a slight counterbalance, helping me stay upright. Okay, let's get onto the mat now. We're gonna do some push-ups. Now, if you can't do full push-ups, don't worry. You can do a kneeling push-up. But let's try and keep the hips and chest coming down together and up together. And your elbows to be drawing slightly back towards your pockets. So from a bird's eye view down, your torso out to the elbows should be making an arrow shape, not a T shape. So you're almost turning the crease of your elbow forwards, away from your toes. If you run out of full push-ups, you could finish the set off with kneeling. Okay, we're going to work the posture muscles of the upper back now, doing some prone overheads. I want you to try and keep your lower back relaxed, keep your chest and head on the floor, doing overhead reaches to a full lockout. Okay, let's get the core engaged and the abs fired up with some bicycle crunches. We're going to be taking the opposite elbow towards the opposite knee. Nice big rotation of the torso. Try and keep your chin off your chest so you're not straining your neck. I like to touch one elbow on the floor as I touch the other elbow on the knee. Don't worry if you can't quite make contact with your knee, just get as close as you can. Okay, back to the feet. For the final exercise within this short little routine, we're going to do some alternating reverse lunges. So you're going to be stepping backwards into a lunge, alternating sides. Ideally, you gently touch the back knee on the floor, but if you're not touching the floor, try and get as close as you can and make sure that front knee is not collapsing in towards the center. And that's it. Well done for starting your day off with a positive action. Why not make this part of your daily routine? And if you've got a little bit more time, don't go anywhere. Why not try this 5-minute ab routine here, or this 5-minute mobility routine? See you for one of those.